video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to edit a PDF file using Google Docs, Microsoft Word, and LibreOffice. It is possible to edit the PDF files in Adobe Reader itself, but it will cost you some money. If you try to edit a PDF file in Adobe Reader using the Edit tool in the right pane, you will get this pop-up which will ask you to do a free 7-day trial for Adobe Pro subscription, which is $14.99 per month. If you want the full set of editing features or you edit PDFs often enough, then maybe it's worth subscribing. Otherwise, I think the 3 different ways that I will show you in this video should fulfill your requirements. The 3 different ways that I cover in this video to edit a PDF file are either free or reasonable enough because you already own the software. But before we get started, for full disclosure, I'm Gargi and I work for Microsoft as a program manager. Let's dive in. The very first way that I'll cover in this video is using Google Docs. But for that, you will need to upload your PDF file to Google Drive. To do that, go to your browser and type drive.google.com and make sure you're signed in using your Google account. Once you are signed in to Google Drive, you can either drag and drop the PDF file that you want to edit, or you can click on this new button on the left and click on File Upload and select the file you want to upload and click Open. Once the upload is complete, you should be able to see your PDF file under Files section. Right-click on the PDF file and click on Open With and then Google Docs. Depending on the size of the file, it may take a while for the PDF file to get converted into Google Docs. Once the file opens in the Google Doc format, you can basically edit this file using Google Doc tools like any other file. Let me try to make some edits to this file. I'm going to change this name to my name. I'm going to address saying hiring manager. And I will delete some unnecessary content that I don't want in my cover letter. I can not only edit and format the text, I can also insert an image either from my computer or from my photos. Once you are done with your edits, go to File and click on Download, and then you can download it back to PDF format. Now if you open your downloaded file, you will see your version of the PDF file. The second way of editing a PDF file is using Microsoft Word. This option is not completely free and you will need to have the desktop version of Microsoft Word on your computer, but Word is a very popular app and any version 2013 and up will work. If you want to learn on how to use Microsoft Office productivity apps for free, then check out my video on how to get Microsoft 365 for free, the link in the details section below. To edit the PDF file in Word is very easy. Simply open the Microsoft Word app and once opened, drag and drop the PDF file that you're wanting to edit to Microsoft Word. You will get this pop-up which says Microsoft Word will now convert your PDF into an editable Word document, and this may take a while depending on the size of your PDF file. Let's click OK. Once the conversion process is done, your PDF file is going to get opened in the Word document like this. As you can see, the graphics and the images and the formatting after the conversion is pretty much very close to the original document. You can now edit and format this document like any other Word document. For example, I can go to the month of July section in this planner document. I want to focus on meditation and be more organized. Once you are done editing this file to your satisfaction, go to the File menu and click on Export. Select the option which says Create PDF/XPS document, and then on right side click on Create PDF. You can select the folder location you want and you can give it a name and then click Publish. The Word is now converting this document back to PDF format. Once Word is done converting this document back to PDF format, you can open this document in Adobe Reader and then you can ensure that your edits are present. The quality of the conversion of a PDF into an editable PDF depends if the PDF is a true PDF or a scanned PDF. A true PDF is a digitally created PDF which is created using some software like Microsoft Word or print functions in apps. So these true PDFs consist of images and texts, but both images and texts are editable and images can be moved, resized and deleted because they are all digitally created. Scanned PDF on the other hand are images embedded in the PDF file, so it only contains images of the content and not the actual text content. It's like taking a picture with your phone of a document and then creating a PDF out of it. The ways described in this video will still work to edit the scanned PDF documents, but the quality after the conversions of images and graphics and formatting may not be the best quality. The third and my final recommendation for editing a PDF file is using LibreOffice Draw. LibreOffice Draw is one of the apps in the LibreOffice Productivity Apps bundle. LibreOffice app is another suite of productivity apps just like Google Apps and Microsoft Office apps. The good news is it's free and open source. The only con for using LibreOffice Draw is that you still have to download the whole suite, even though you will need only LibreOffice Draw for this task. First, you need to download the LibreOffice suite of apps. So to start downloading the LibreOffice apps, go to LibreOffice.org and click on Download Now. On the download page, you can either install the early adopter version or you can install a more stable but an older version, which is 7.0.6. I'm going to download and install the latest version. Once the download is done, you can run the MSI file and go through this wizard to install LibreOffice. Once the installation is complete, go to the search box on your taskbar and type LibreOffice Draw and then click on LibreOffice Draw app. Once you are in LibreOffice Draw, go to the File menu and click Open and open the PDF file that you want to edit. For this scenario, I'm going to take an example where a teacher needs to type in a bunch of certificates of appreciation for her student. I'm going to click on this certificate template PDF file that I downloaded from internet and click Open. Once the PDF file is open in LibreOffice Draw, now I can insert text boxes for name of the students and other fields and then save it as PDF. To insert the name of the kids in this area, click on the text box here, or you can press F2 and then draw the text box in this area and type the name. Similarly, I can fill up all the other fields on this certificate. I can reposition and edit the text boxes to the right locations. Once I'm done editing this certificate, all I need to do is go above on the toolbar menu and click on Export directly to PDF. I can now edit and save multiple copies of this certificate in PDF for every kid in my class. Now when I open the PDF file from the file location where I saved it, I will see that all the changes that I made using LibreOffice Draw have been saved in the PDF format file. Which of these three methods are you most likely going to use the next time you are going to edit a PDF file? Please let me know in the comments. And if you want to learn more software tricks like this and be productive in your day-to-day work, then don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching.